When businesses rely on software like Sage to manage their critical financial data, operational processes, and customer interactions, a fundamental question often arises. What database does Sage actually run on? Understanding the underlying database technology is crucial for IT professionals, project managers overseeing system implementations, and anyone interested in the technical architecture that supports these vital business tools. The answer to this question isn't a single, straightforward one, as Sage offers a diverse portfolio of software solutions catering to different business sizes and needs. Consequently, the specific database used can vary depending on the particular Sage product you're considering. However, we can explore the primary database technologies that underpin a significant portion of Sage's offerings. One of the most prevalent database systems associated with various Sage products, particularly its enterprise-level solutions, is Microsoft SQL Server. This robust and widely adopted relational database management system, RDBMS, provides a stable and scalable foundation for handling large volumes of business data. Microsoft SQL Server is known for its reliability, security features, and comprehensive suite of tools for data management, analysis, and reporting. For larger organizations utilizing Sage's more comprehensive ERP systems, such as Sage X3 or Sage Intacct, though the latter is natively cloud-based and has its own unique architecture, Microsoft SQL Server often serves as the core database engine. It efficiently manages the complex data structures required for financials, supply chain management, manufacturing processes, and customer relationship management within these integrated platforms. The scalability of SQL Server allows these Sage solutions to grow alongside the businesses they support, accommodating increasing data loads and user demands. Another significant database technology that has been historically associated with Sage, particularly its small and medium-sized business, SMB, accounting software like Sage 50, now often referred to as Sage Accounting, is Pervasive SQL. Pervasive SQL, now known as Actian Zen, is a lightweight and embeddable database system that has been a long-standing choice for applications requiring a reliable and low-maintenance data store. Its ease of deployment and relatively small footprint made it a suitable option for desktop-based accounting software popular among smaller businesses. While Microsoft SQL Server offers extensive features and scalability for larger deployments, Pervasive SQL provided a more streamlined and cost-effective database solution for the SMB market segment that Sage initially focused on. Its embedded nature meant that the database often ran seamlessly in the background, requiring minimal administrative overhead for users. It's also important to acknowledge the evolution of Sage's product line and the increasing adoption of cloud-based solutions. For some of Sage's newer, cloud-native offerings, the underlying database infrastructure might differ from traditional on-premises deployments. Cloud platforms often utilize managed database services, which could include various database technologies optimized for scalability and availability in the cloud environment. For instance, Sage Intacct, a cloud-based financial management platform, leverages a multi-tenant architecture with its own optimized data storage mechanisms within the cloud infrastructure. Furthermore, Sage may utilize other database technologies for specific components or functionalities within its broader ecosystem of products and services. These could include NoSQL databases for handling unstructured data or specialized databases optimized for particular tasks like data warehousing or business intelligence. As a project manager overseeing a Sage software implementation or upgrade, understanding the underlying database is crucial for several reasons. It impacts decisions related to infrastructure planning. Knowing the database requirements, e.g., server specifications, storage capacity, is essential for setting up the necessary IT infrastructure. Performance optimization. Understanding the database allows for informed decisions regarding database tuning, indexing strategies, and query optimization to ensure smooth application performance. Data backup and recovery. Implementing robust backup and recovery procedures tailored to the specific database technology is vital for data protection. Integration with other systems. Knowledge of the database structure and connectivity options is necessary for integrating Sage with other business applications. Troubleshooting and maintenance. IT teams need to be familiar with the specific database to effectively diagnose and resolve any database-related issues. In summary, while there isn't a single database that powers all of Sage's software solutions, Microsoft SQL Server and pervasive SQL Acti and Zen, have historically been significant database technologies underpinning a large portion of their enterprise and SMB offerings, respectively. As Sage continues to evolve its product line with more cloud-based solutions, the underlying database landscape may become more diverse, potentially incorporating various managed database services in the cloud. For anyone working with Sage software, understanding the specific database associated with their implementation is a key aspect of effective management and support. It allows for better planning, performance optimization, and overall system stability, ensuring that these critical business tools continue to operate efficiently.